for them. It's like apples against apples. It's not just do you like the music or do you like the style of the dance. All of the skaters will be performing a waltz, and right now you're watching the gold medal favorites from Russia, Tatiana Navkov and Roman Kostomarov, and this is a fabulous team. But what's interesting, at the European Championships that recently took place, they finished third in the compulsory dance, and the pressure's a little bit on them here because we've got 8 top teams. But as you can see, they're into the pattern of the dance, same steps, same music, and the timing has to be exact. Look at how close they're skating together, and the key with ice dance is to make it look easy, and trust me, I did it for years. It's not. At this point, your thighs start burning, and you have to keep the flow going in the knees. You have to keep the pressure on the blade so that you can continue the flow, because the second pattern must match the first exactly. It very much is a technical